So one of the causes of caliper, to say seizing up or brake binding, especially for the rear braking system on the wheels, is when you park your vehicle. When you park your vehicle and leave it on handbrake for a very long time, it's not good. Very handbrake. What it tends to do is over time, the caliper becomes sticky. When I mean you park your vehicle, like more than 2 weeks. I don't even leave my. If I'm not going to use a car for like 7 days, I don't even use handbrake. Rather get stone or something, I use it to hold the vehicle. And what I usually do, you put the stone. You can put it on handbrake, put a stone either in the front, rear tires or the front tire. Put in the front of the tire or the back of the tire. Just use one tire. Then release the handbrake. Then you can now put it, if it's manual, put it on gear 1. But let the vehicle rest on the stone or whatever that you know that you want to, that can serve as stone. Use it to hold the tire. To the vehicle per se. Let the weight of the car rest on that stone, whether it's the one in the front or the one at the back of the tire. Then release the handbrake. If it's manual, put it on gear 1 at that time. But of course, if it's automatic, you have to first put the car. These children are very noisy. So if it's automatic, of course, you first draw the handbrake. That's what you do first before you put. If you drive into where you want to park your automatic vehicle, transmission vehicle, draw the handbrake first, then shift from the drive or reverse, then shift it to park. That's what you do first. First of all, draw the handbrake before you put it on park. What I usually do is put it on park, then release the brake. If you don't understand what I mean, you should. As an automatic transmission user, you should understand that for you to shift the gear from drive or reverse to park, you need to press and hold your brake. So what you do, you draw the handbrake as you are holding the brake pedal, pressing it down. Draw the handbrake, still hold the brake pedal down, shift the gear lever from reverse or drive to park. Then release the brake pedal. Then go and put the stone on the tires. But like I said, you can use any of the tire. If it's this one here or normally I prefer using the rear tire, but it depends on the road. If it's like hilly or slopey, put the stone front and the rear of the tire. Then you come back, switch on ignition, press and hold the brake pedal, then shift the gear lever to neutral. Then let the car roll. If it doesn't roll, fine, but let the car now rest on the brake, on the stone or whatever you want to use to hold the car on the tire. Let it rest on it before you put it back on the park. That's what I'm saying. So for the automatic user, you might need a little bit things to do. The reason why I'm saying that is if you stay too long, if you park a car too long on handbrake, you find out that next time you're going to move that car, even though you will use the handbrake, sometimes if it's automatic, you put it won't move. If it's manual, you release the handbrake, put it on gear 1, start the car, try to move, it won't move. It will hold it for a while before you now hear one big fall, boom. It's not good. So sometimes, even though it has moved, but may get a point the caliper will not return properly. The caliper is supposed to move, return, go, return, you know. So now I know some depending on the rear braking system, some it's not the caliper, like the ones with drum brakes. It's not they don't have calipers, so they have different things that work that do the handbrake. There are some too with calipers, but then they, like 406, they have caliper for the normal brake, but then they also have brake shoe for the handbrake. So still apply the same thing. I would say wouldn't you leave it for long, you know, so that you can always easily return. If you keep doing that, we get a point, you start binding. So and if sometimes it also, for example, the one that have brake calipers at the rear, it will leave one kind of mark on the disc that will take a while before it smoothens out. So that's how I pack my cars, and so I won't be having issue with your rear brakes. Hope this helps.